Except the class boolean, all the wrapper classes has a field named bytes, which stores the number of bytes used to represent a given data type. Namaste everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the session 19 of Java and Web, wrapper classes in Java. The field bytes stores the number of bytes used to represent a given data type. The field bytes is always public, static and final in all the wrapper classes. So you can use the field bytes just by using the class name in your program. The field bytes is always equal to size divided by byte.size. We already have learned about the field size in the previous video of the session wrapper classes. The link of that video is given in the video description. The field byte is always of type int, of type integer. We know that the value of the field size in the class byte is 8. Then we are accessing the field size of the class byte. Again it is 8. These two are the same variables. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. That's how in the class byte, the value of the field bytes is 1. In the class sort, the value of the field size is 16. And we are accessing the field size of the class byte, that is 8. 16 divided by 8 is 2. That's how the value of the field bytes in the class sort is 2. In the class integer, the value of the size is 32. And value of the size of the class byte is 8. 32 divided by 8, that is 4. So the value of the field bytes in the class integer is 4. Similarly, the value of the size of the class long is 64, which is divided by byte.size, that is 8. That's how the value of the field bytes in the class long is 8. Similarly, in the class float, the value of size for the class float is 32 and value of byte.size is 8. That's how 32 divided by 8 is equal to 4. That's how the value of the field bytes in the class float is 4. The value of size in the class double is 64. Byte.size is 8. 64 divided by 8 is equal to 8. That's how the value of the field bytes in the class double is 8. The size of the class character is 16. Byte.size is 8. That's how the value of the field bytes in the class character is 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. The field bytes is not present in the class boolean. Since the field bytes is public, static and final in all the wrapper classes, that's how we can use the field bytes by using the class name in our created Java program. Let's use the field bytes in our created Java program. Here we are printing the field bytes of the class sort. Similarly, here we are printing the field bytes of the class integer. Here we are printing the field bytes of the class long, field bytes of the class float, of the class double and of the class character. The expected output is 1, 2, 4, 8, 4, 8 and 2. Let's try to compile this code. Java C, first.java, it compiles fine, now run it. Java first, it runs fine and you can check the expected output 1, 2, 4, 8, 4, 8, 2. The field bytes is not present in the class boolean. That's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe my channel on YouTube, like my page on Facebook and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.